Hey everyone, it's Jen Sheffer here, and today I'm walking you through our new IT ticketing system here in Burlington called GetHelp. This system will be replacing School Dude, and it is to be used for any and all technology issues that you may experience this coming school year. You have received an email from Fadine Saterial with walkthrough directions with written instructions, but if you're like me and you prefer video tutorials, you may find this helpful, so that's why I want to make this video for you. It's really intuitive, and I think you'll find it to be very user-friendly. So the steps to follow are to first type in gethelp.bpsk12.org. From there, you're going to hit enter, and then you'll be automatically redirected to the burlingtonps.gethelpss.com URL. And this site will launch. And the first time that you log in, you will select your BPS email, and you will then enter you'll be prompted to enter an ID. And when you receive that prompt, you're going to click on I don't know my ID. And then you're going to be taken to this page here, this dashboard, and it's going to say welcome, your name, and then you'll have this large green create ticket button. So to submit a ticket, you're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to be able to select the type of problem you're experiencing. So we have everything from accessories, Aspen and printers, our accounts, devices, applications, and our phone system. So this is what you'll use also if you'd like to request an app to be reviewed or a Chrome extension to be reviewed by the IT department, to be added on student devices or to be added as a Chrome extension. So and then if there's any other miscellaneous issues that are not listed here, you would click on that. But for this example, let's just go ahead and click on a device problem. Then it's further categorized into either classroom devices, staff, or student devices. So we'll just say we're having a staff device issue. And then from here, we're asked to indicate how urgent this problem is. Critical issues would be those that are affecting a whole school building and multiple people. This would include things such as the network, our phone system, or printers. If they're down for an entire building, these would be critical issues. We also have high priority tickets, which really require a short response, ideally within the same day or within 24 hours. We have medium priority tickets, which ideally we'd like to be addressed within a work week. And then a low priority ticket is something that could come at a later date or an issue that could wait more than a week. So if it was our Chromebook that we use on a daily basis for teaching, I would consider that to be a high priority issue. And then here, we're going to provide a summary of the problem. We have up to 100 characters to do that. I'm just going to say my Chromebook is not charging. In the next section, we can give more details, so I can be very detailed about my issues. So I could say Chromebook is not charging. I have tried multiple chargers and multiple outlets. Sorry about that. Multiple outlets. It's been a long day. Sure you can relate. Multiple outlets. So we have up to 8,000 characters to give a very detailed description of our problem. And the IT department would really appreciate if you would do that. So the more information you can give them, the better, including if you've tried things like I've tried different chargers, I've tried different outlets, it's still not charging. Additionally, if you received some strange or foreign or bizarre notice on your Chromebook that you felt, oh, this is weird, you can take a picture of it and you can attach that so that the IT staff has more information, or if there was something on your projector screen that you wanted to share with them, I'd encourage you to do that as well. So again, the more information, the better. So then we're going to click next. This is a device issue, so the IT department would appreciate it if you could give the serial number of that device. If you have it, that would be great, whether it's your iPad or your Chromebook or student iPad. From there, you're going to click on Next, and then this is very important to indicate to our IT department where you're located, which building, as well as your room number, and then we're just going to put in 1234 for an extension, and then we can click on Submit. Here we are notified that a technician will contact us if they need more information. and we're going to click on View Ticket, and then we're taken into a screen where we can see all the details of what we just provided. This is a new ticket with a high priority. It's my staff device, and that I submitted it and where I'm located. If attachments were included, those would be shown there as well. And then if I needed to, I can add a comment. And in this case, I need to add a comment that this is a test ticket and not an actual problem, so that our IT staff knows that I'm just testing out GetHelp. I can hit submit. That comment is then added. You can see here at the bottom. And then again, I can go to the dashboard and I can see my open tickets. I have this drop-down menu right here. I can see all my tickets, open tickets, those that have been resolved and those that have been closed. I also have this grid over here on the right indicating open, resolved, and closed tickets. And then if necessary, whenever I need to, I can click on the Create Ticket button to submit additional requests. So I would encourage you to bookmark the GetHelp site. Again, this is highly intuitive, I think much more so than the previous system, School Dude. And if you do need additional help on submitting a ticket, please reach out to me or your building ITS. And I appreciate you spending some time with me. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching.